Good morning, dear student. Welcome to the Gyanjyoti online classes. I am your English teacher, Mr. Prem Kumar Varik. Okay. So today discuss about English reader, chapter 3, and class 1. And chapter's name is Mary had a little mouse. Mary had a little mouse. Mary के पास एक छोटा सा चूहा था. क्या था? चूहा. Okay. So everyone's first open your book and copy. Okay. English copy, English book, and page number here 23. Okay. Just a little poem, little small story. Joyce Admar is writer. Okay. Have you ever played a prank on your friend? Everyone enjoy the pranks nowadays. Some maximum friends have run to his friend, okay, and just enjoy it. So let's just read about the poem. Mary, one of the little girl's name, okay. So just I read the poem. Listen very carefully. Small poem. Mary had a little mouse. Mary had a little mouse. Its fur was white as snow. Okay. मैरी क्या छोटा सा चूहा था और कौन सा कलर का? व्हाइट कलर का, स्नो कलर का. एंड एवरीवेयर दैट वे मैरी वेंट द माउस वाज श्योर टू गो. और जहाँ जहाँ मैरी जाती थी ये चूहा भी उसके पीछे 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 जाता था. एज ए पेट, लाइक ए पेट, the little mouse go to the behind or go to the Mary's was sure to go. Okay. It followed her to school one day. Then one day suddenly a mouse was followed Mary's. Okay, which was not Mary's plan. क्योंकि वो मैरिज को पता ही नहीं था और पहले से प्लान भी नहीं बनाई थी. लेकिन स्कूल जब ये गई मैरी उसके पीछे पीछे चूहा भी चल गया. For when the mouse jumped on a desk, then suddenly a mouse was a jump on the desk, on her desk, जहाँ पे मैरी बैठी थी डेस्क था वहाँ पे चूहा जो है जंप कर गया. The teacher screamed and ran. Then that time teachers teaching to some student, तो उस समय टीचर जो है डर जाती है, उसको डर लग जाता है और सब दौड़ने लगते हैं. बच्चे भी दौड़ने लगते हैं, टीचर्स भी दौड़ने लगते हैं. So this is the story, small story of Mary had a little mouse. Okay, बहुत ही छोटा स्टोरी है. Then if you don't understand, and then I repeat again. Okay. So dear student, everyone know about a small prank from his friend. Today's as a very enjoyable. Okay. So if you want to any friends to prank, so you have to plan and go through the plans. Okay, so this is the one of the prank type, just joking type. Okay, small story. Mary had a little mouse. A food was white and as snow, and everywhere that Mary went to, when the mouse was sure to go. ये जो है छोटा सा बच्ची है वो है मैरी और उसका एक छोटा सा चूहा वो रखी थी. उसका कलर जो है व्हाइट कलर का, स्नो कलर का, आज स्नो. और जब जहाँ जहाँ मैरी जाती थी ये चूहा भी वहाँ पे चली जाती थी. It followed our school one day, which was not Mary's plan. For when the mouse jumped on her desk, the teacher screamed and ran. Okay. So suddenly एक दिन क्या हुआ है कि एक स्कूल चली जाती चूहा. मेरी का कोई प्लान नहीं था उसमें, ना वो जानती थी कि चूहा मेरे पीछे पीछे आ रहा है, देन सडनली माउस जंप ऑन डेस्क। एक टेबल था, उस वहाँ पे चूहा जो है अचानक से जंप कर देते हैं और सारे वहाँ के बच्चे और जहाँ टीचर जो पढ़ाते रहते थे वो डर जाते हैं, स्क्रैच एंड रन। ओके, वो बहुत ही डर कर दौड़ने लगते हैं। ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट, आई एम जस्ट telling about in Hindi language because everyone don't know, okay, and don't understand it, so I repeat this again. Okay, so dear student, a small story is completely, then you have to open your copy. Okay, then you write a new words. Some new words is there, new words, write in your copy. Food. What is the meaning of food? The search here on animal skin. ओके, इसका मतलब है छोटा सा जो बाल जो है उसका एनिमल पे स्किन पे लगा रहता है, इसको बोलते हैं फूड। ओके, followed, go or come after, go or come after। इसका मतलब है कि हम लोग किसी का अनुसरण करते हैं या हम लोग किसी का फॉलो करते हैं, उसके पीछे जाते हैं, उसको बोलते हैं फॉलो। प्लान, आइडिया, कोई आइडिया लगाना। स्क्रैम, ए लाउड स्क्रैम, जोर से चिल्लाना, डर जाना, जोर से चिल्लाना। ए लाउड क्राई। ओके, जब हम लोग किसी को देख डर जाते हैं तो जोर से चिल्लाते हैं ना, सो दैट्स व्हाई द मीनिंग ऑफ स्क्रैम। ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट, राइट इन दिस वर्ड, it is very important for you. New words, put the search here and on animal skin, followed, go or come after, plan, idea, scratch, a loud cry. So dear student, then you have to open 24 page number 24. Comprehensions, tick the correct answer. Here some picture you have to see. Okay, A number, B number, C. First, a cloudy and on the sky and star, there is hill and down the snows, and here is sun and sky. So Mary's mouse was the same color as, इनमें से कौन से कलर के साथ मेरी का जो चूहा है उसके साथ सेम लगता है या मिक्स हो जाता है? So B is the right answer. So you have tick B. Okay, you have tick B. B is the right answer. The second number, Mary's mouse followed her too. Mary's mouse, मेरी का माउस जो है कहाँ पे मेरी का अनुसरण करते हुए या उसको फॉलो करते हुए कहाँ पे चल रही है? स्कूल, हाउस और बिल्डिंग्स। So we have to tick a school. You know already the answer. Okay, school पे मेरी का जो माउस है फॉलो करते हुए स्कूल चली गई। ठीक है, सो यहाँ पे हम लोग ए को टिक करेंगे। ए इज द राइट आंसर। द माउस जंप ऑन द व्हिच डेस्क, टीचर बैठे हैं और वहाँ पे माउस जो होती और वहाँ पे जंप कर देती। सो सी इज द राइट आंसर। सी इज द राइट आंसर। यू हैव टू टिक C. Okay, then open page number 25. Fill in the blanks. What? Fill in the blanks. Okay, I just write in these blackboards. See the blackboards. Okay, fill in the blanks. Fill in the blanks. So dear student, first number, here you have to see the blackboard. Mary had a desk mouse. So what do we put up in this blanks? Mary had a desk mouse. So we have to write little mouse. Okay? Little is the right answer. So put up little. Number 2. Mouse's desk was white as snow. So माउस का कौन सा हिस्सा जो है व्हाइट एज ए स्नो दिखता था? Which color? Remember? Food. Food is the person. Food is the a part of body was white as snow. Okay? Then you have to see number 3. It followed her to school one day. Okay, so here we write followed. It followed her to school one day. उसको मैरी को अनुसरण करते हुए या उसके पीछे पीछे स्कूल चल दिए. Okay, then you have to write number 4 and 5. Okay, so dear student, number 4, it jumped, कूद जाना, on the teacher's desk. Okay, teacher's desk में कूद जाना. Okay, so it jumped on the teacher desk. Which place? Teacher desk. Okay, then number 5. Now number 5 is here. The teacher. So dear student, the teacher screamed and ran. जोर से चिल्लाकर डर जाकर टीचर जो है दौड़ने लगे. ओके, एंड उसके साथ बाकी स्टूडेंट भी थे, दौड़ने लगे. सो आंसर इज स्क्रैम्ड. ओके, सो डियर स्टूडेंट, you have to write this one. Okay, then next one we have to see in your book. So see the picture. Can you guess what Mary Mouse eats? Its food. Here is food. Food is on the book. Okay, so mouse, which one eat? So I think number 2 is the right answer. So you have to tick this one. Number 2, mouse is eats. Okay, this picture. Okay, so dear student, 1 is not, 3rd भी नहीं है, 4 भी नहीं है. 2 नंबर को चूहा जो है खा सकती है. So you have to tick number 2. Okay, then you have to discuss your friend. When the mouse jumped on the teacher desk, why did the screams and run? यानी कि जब चूहा जो है टीचर के डेस्क में जंप किया, यानी कि वहां पे जंप किया, तो टीचर्स जो है क्यों वहां से मतलब आवाज आया जोर से चिल्लाने का और डर जाने का और भगने का. She was scared, she was angry, she was happy. So here 3 options in the values. Okay, she was scared, she was angry, she was happy. उनको बहुत ही ज़्यादा डर लग गया, या फिर वो बहुत गुस्सा हो गई, या फिर वो ज़्यादा खुशी हो गई. तो आंसर होगा she was scared. Okay. What would you do if you found a mouse in your class? So in my question, if you see the mouse in your class, what your reaction, what you do? Obviously you have to cry loudly, screams. Okay, then you have to go back to in your school. Okay, and you go first, you open door and run in outside. Okay, because everyone, maximum student fear to the माउस. सभी लोग चूहे से डरते हैं. अचानक चूहा आ जाए तो हम लोग क्या करेंगे? दरवाजा अगर बंद रहेगा तो खोल के दौड़ेंगे बाहर तरफ, अगर खुला रहेगा भी तो उससे भागना है. ओके, मैक्सिमम स्टूडेंट हैज फियर अबाउट और mouse. Okay, then obviously you go out in the class. Okay, then you have to use mnemonics here, vocabulary, circle the things that pair up with this word. So I just read in this word: socks, needle, lock, frog, gloves, thread, diary, knife, shoes, paper, door, plate, belt, cloth, key, bowl. Some words is here, so first you read. Okay, then you have to circle the things that pair up with this word. Okay, इसको circle करना है. Okay, circle करना है. ठीक है? So do yourself. If you don't know, don't worry, I am here and I will ask in next class. Okay, if you don't know, then you have to call me or discuss about this question answer. Okay, then you have to open page number 26. Okay, match this word with their opposite. So here is some words in 1 to 5 number, A to E number. Okay, so we have to match it from the opposite word. Okay, so dear student, first write this one, number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, the word is here: dirty, dry, empty, loud, noisy. Okay, then other sides, A number: white, B, hat, C, ink, D, wet, and E, full. Okay, so match the opposite. Match the opposite. Match the opposite word. So just you see your book, match these words with their opposite word को हम लोग मैच करेंगे. डर्टी, डर्टी यानी गंदा. सो क्लीन इज द ऑपोजिट वर्ड. ड्राई, ड्राई जो है सूखा, और वेट जो है भीगा हुआ. एम्प्टी खाली, फुल भरा हुआ. लव पैर और हेड जो हम लोग पसंद नहीं करते, घृणा करते. नॉइजी, नॉइजी मीन्स ज्यादा चिल्लाना. क्वाइट यानी शांत रहना. ओके, सो फर्स्ट यू सी द ब्लैक बुक. डर्टी, क्लीन, ड्राई, वेट, एम्प्टी, फुल, लव, हेड, noisy, quiet. Okay, you have to do yourself in your book. Okay, in your copy you have to write, match in your book and write again. You have to in your copy: dirty, dry, empty, loud, noisy. So this question also completely given the answer. Okay, then the grammar side. read this sentence and look at the matching picture. This is Monu's house. Okay, this is Monu's house. That is the mouse of Monu's friend. This is Monu's bicycle. That is a school bus. That is a school bus. Some picture is here. Okay, this is Monu's house. That is house of Monu's friend. ये मोनू का दोस्त का घर. दिस इज मोनूस बाईसाइकिल. मोनू का बाईसाइकिल है. दैट इज स्कूल बस. यहाँ पे स्कूल बस दिखाई दे रहा है. स्टॉप लिखा हुआ है. वी यूज दिस टू दिस पर्सन नियर अस. विच दैट इज टू थिंग्स ए पर्सन फॉर अवे फॉर अस. अगेन आई जस्ट टोल्ड यू बट अगेन यू हैव टू राइट. ओके, फॉर योर remember and you have to know again. If you forget, which place will do using this or that. Okay, so first number, just you write in your copy. We use this to show a thing or person near us. Okay, so let's see the blackboard. Dear student, we use this, what this, to show a things or person near us. कोई भी चीज या कोई भी व्यक्ति, कोई भी एनिमल्स या कोई भी प्लेस हो हमारे आसपास हो तो हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? दिस. ओके, सो क्लियर अबाउट दिस वन. देन यू राइट नेक्स्ट वन. वी यूज दैट टू शो a thing or person far away from us. Okay, from us. So dear student, look at the blackboard. We use that, what that, to show a things or person far away from us. इसका मतलब है कि जो भी व्यक्ति या कोई भी चीज या कोई भी प्लेस या भी कोई भी एनिमल्स हमारे से दूर है, कुछ दूर है, सामने नहीं है, तो उसमें क्या लगाएंगे? दैट. सो यू हैव टू क्लियर इट. ओके, देन डू योरसेल्फ. आई एम जस्ट डूइंग some question. Okay, underline the correct answer. See the blackboard, see the book. Okay, page number 26. अंडरलाइन द आंसर. आपको अंडरलाइन करना है. ओके, मैं टिक कर दिया वहां पे, लेकिन आपको उसके नीचे एक रेखा खींचना है, यानी कि अंडरलाइन करना है. सो फर्स्ट, दिस और दैट स्टार इज शाइनिंग ब्राइटली इन द स्काई. द आंसर इज दैट. ओके, सी आई फाउंड दिस दैट ऑन कॉइन ऑन द रोड. सो रोड में मैं जो है जाते हुए कॉइन देखा, यानी कुछ पैसा देखा. सो यूजिंग दिस, आई वांट टू गो टू दिस और दैट. फ्रैंक इवेंट थ्रू, इट इज द फॉर अवे. सो यूजिंग दैट और दैट और दिस. दिस इज और दैट, दिस और दैट इज द रोड ओल्ड चर्च. इफ यू वॉक इट विल टेक अस 10 minutes to reach. Okay, so using you have yourself what you using this or that. I am just tick. Okay, so clear about. Okay, then you have to read this one. Okay, pronunciation. Read this sentence aloud. Note how the vowels e sound circle the words where vowels e sound same as in free. Okay, so here is some sentence. See the book. Okay, see the book. Number 1, there are 10 mangoes on the tree. Okay, यहाँ पे लिखा हुआ है सेंटेंस में कि there are 10 mangoes on the tree. Second number, I clean my teeth every morning. A cheetah has spot on its body. The birds live in nest. My father loves me. Just you have to read aloudly. okay, not silently, loudly. And how the vowel sound circle the words where vowel is sound same as in pre, okay, यहाँ पे कुछ vowels sound हो रहा होगा, उसको आपको वहाँ पे जो है सर्कल करना है, ओके. सो डू योरसेल्फ. देन D2 रीड दिस वर्ड अलाउड. आपको यहाँ पे कुछ वर्ड्स दिया गया है, इसको भी आप अलाउड यानी जोर से पढ़ेंगे. नोट हाउ वॉवेल्स आई साउंड. व्हिच साउंड? आई साउंड. रिमेंबर एंड माइंड इट. आई साउंड. अंडरलाइन द वर्ड्स where vowel I sound same as in mice, okay. So just example, same as in mice, वहाँ पे I sound होगा, वहाँ पे आप लोग को अंडरलाइन करना है. क्या करना है? अंडरलाइन. जस्ट I do some words place. Rice is the I have underlined. Ice, heels, iron, knife. So you have to sound which sound? I sound. Then you have to underline that words. Okay? उसके नीचे आपको underline करना है. So dear student, this one you do yourself. Okay? Rice, knife. Okay? We just underline it. Then listening and speaking. This is your word. Listen to the audio carefully and fill in the blanks. Okay, we have to listen audio carefully and fill in the blanks. Okay, just Anna is a good dancer, swimmer. Anna is a speaker, cousin or friend. Bharat is a speaker's neighbor or cousin. Bharat is from Pune or Nagpur. Bharat is in class 2 or 7. Okay, do yourself. Okay, fill in the blanks. Choose from these two sentences, two words. Okay. In ODA, what do you speaker do? Tick the correct answer. They introduce themselves. They talk to their neighbors. Third number, they talk to their cousin. Okay. They introduce their friend. So, dear student, you have to listen first audio. Then you have to tick it. Introduce your desk. Then E3 numbers. Introduce your desk partner. Do not forget to tell us class about her in his name, class, school, and habits. And for composition, one of the best drawer or जो कि आप लोग में से. So dear student, here is boxes. Okay, draw Mary's little mouse and color it. तो यहाँ पे आपको एक चूहे का पिक्चर बनाना है और उसमें कलर लगाना है आपको, ठीक है. ड्रॉ द Mary's little mouse and color it. Okay. So dear student, here chapter 3, Mary said a little house, is completely over. This is the over. Class is over. This is very small story. Okay. So for my suggestion, you have to first read this one and understand it. Okay, a small poem writing by Jersey Armour. Okay, this is very interesting, small but very interesting. And just poem. Okay, then you have to also prank in your friend in your class. Okay, so dear student, complete this chapter. Okay, a small chapter. So just I describe a long way, but you have to just do yourself all the question answer. Okay, and read first the poem. Okay, first you have to read poem properly. Okay, then write in your copy all the question answer. Okay, if you don't know, then don't worry and don't fear. Okay, I am here because I will ask next class for any if you have to doubt. Then I just give him in WhatsApp number in WhatsApp group for my numbers. If you any doubt in this chapter, okay, in this chapter, then you have to call me and ask some question. Okay, if you don't know, but You must know because it's very easy and small chapter, small point. Okay. So dear student, best of luck and stay your home because nowadays increases a coronavirus everywhere in across our India, all over our India. Okay. Then our Odisha also. So we have to just information. Uh, Stay at home and save yourself and your family, and we have to sanitizer using sanitizers and hand wash, and wash your hand many times. Okay. So dear student, I hope you understand all the chapters. Okay. So now we have to finish this chapter. Thank you very much.